Hey everybody, last video I picked this Chateau C970. It was cut, and the end of the video just kind of said I was going to throw it away, and I got a lot of feedback saying don't throw it away, give it to somebody in the community. So that's what I'm going to do. I went through my drill bag here. I've got actually 4 locks that were cut that the cylinder is still intact, and so I'll figure out some kind of way to send these out to hopefully somebody new to the community that maybe doesn't have a lot of locks or access to them or whatever, and see if somebody gets some use out of them. So not sure how I'm going to determine who to send them to, but probably will have something to do with Reddit. But I will figure that out, and they will go to somebody and will not be trashed. So thank you for the feedback and everything. And since we're also a lock picking channel mostly here, I'm gonna see if I can pick a lock too while we're doing the video. This is a master lock that cut off a storage locker the same day I cut these off. I'm going to try bottom of the keyway on this guy. Alright, we're open. Shackle popped out. Alright, so that guy's picked anyway, since we are a picking channel. And like I said here, it probably has something to do with Reddit, but I will find a way to get these sent out to somebody who can hopefully get some use out of them. And that will do it for this video. And I guess until the next one, we'll talk to everybody later.